Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu has reported from Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu, when Abdullah bin Ubay bin Salul, the chief of the hypocrites, died, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sent for to lead his funeral prayer. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up to proceed, I, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, holding his garment, submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, will you lead the funeral prayer of Ibn Ubay, whereas he said this thing on that day and that thing on that day. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu says, I started to narrate his rubbishly remarks, whereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was mercy incarnate, smiled and said, O Umar, do not detain me when I persistently insisted. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I have been granted option, do favor or not, in this connection. So I have opted this aspect to do favor. If I know that he will be pardoned, if I seek pardon for him more than 70 times, I will implore pardon for him for more times. The reporter narrates, then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam led his funeral prayer, and when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned and covered a small distance, these two verses of the chapter Barat were revealed. And pray you never over any of their dead, and not stand over his grave. No doubt they rejected Allah and his messenger and died while they were disobedient. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu says, later I used to feel amazed at my boldness to prevent Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whereas Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4671.